I'm Chloe Hauser with PDX TV Reports, and tonight we're here at a local home because they just got the new Infinity heat pump with Greenspeed Intelligence. This is the most efficient unit you can get, and it's not only an air conditioner, it's a heater too.
That's the great thing about it, and especially in our climate here, it doesn't get that hot that often. What we have now is a machine that you're using when you need it for cooling and humidity, but it's also heating your house in the wintertime. This is about 69% more efficient than your standard conventional heat pump.
For more information, turn to the experts at Carrier and Specialty Heating and Cooling.